Hello everybody, I'm Professor Michele Scandola and I'm here to talk you about the summer school concerning Bayesian statistics in the human, social and cognitive sciences. Why Bayesian statistics? As you probably know, the research world has faced a huge methodological crisis, the replication crisis. In particular, it has been shown that in psychology, the 36% of classical psychological experiments cannot be replicated. That means that we need a different statistical approach, and many scholars advocated the use of Bayesian statistics to solve this problem. Another reason is that with Bayesian statistics you're using the probability in a different way from the frequentist statistics. You're basically avoiding the dichotomous approach of accepting or rejecting the alternative hypothesis, embracing uncertainty towards your hypothesis, and having a different degree of credibility of each your own hypothesis, from the different alternative hypothesis to the null hypothesis. The summer school is structured on 6 days, both in the morning and in the afternoons. We will start from the theoretical and philosophical basics of Bayesian statistics, moving towards the most basic and simple applications, to end towards the multi-level models and dynamic causal models. You will have the opportunity to work with hands-on sessions with international experts such as Mel Slater, Fabio Spizzichino, Richard Murray and Rosalind Moran. And furthermore, you will have always other teachers as tutors, and you will apply these methodologies on your own computer. Why choose this summer school? Because there are a lot of practical sessions with international experts, and our goal is that you will go home with a practical knowledge on Bayesian statistics. You will be able to do your own analysis. The past 2 editions were very successful, so if you are interested in this summer school, please keep in touch, and approximately at the beginning of the new year, check on our website for the new contents and the new information for the new edition.